Hey guys, this is TicTecToPH. Today we'll be doing a quick unboxing and overview of the KZ EDX. The KZ EDX is one of KZ's latest budget earphones, coming in at an SRP of only 349 pesos or $7 US. The variant that we'll be unboxing today is the white color with a built-in microphone. Once we open the box, we see the earphones themselves, two extra pairs of silicone ear tips, the detachable cable, and the user manuals. Here we have a closer look at the earphones in its clean white color. The shells are made of high quality resin, and we also see the letter X printed on each of the sides. Right now we're attaching the cables to the earphones, making sure that the left and right sides are matching. If you're new to IEMs, the detachable cable allows you to easily replace your cables when they get damaged. The KZ EDX uses the B-type 2-pin connection, similar to the widely known KZ ZST. This also allows you to use better quality cables or even upgrade to a Bluetooth module for a wireless experience. The variant that we are testing also has a built-in mic and multifunction button that can be used to answer calls and control music playback. Here's the sample mic recording from the KZ EDX so you can check how it would sound for calls. This is a recording from the KZ EDX plugged into a smartphone. You can use this mic for both calls and gaming. Before we head on to the sound quality, it is subjective and can vary from person to person, but we'll do our best to give an accurate description of its sound. The KZ EDX uses a single 10mm dynamic driver for each side. Its tuning is similar to other KZ earphones, with more emphasis on the lows and highs, resulting in a V-shaped sound signature. Its bass is punchy without sounding muddy. The vocals are clear with an average soundstage. With the treble slightly elevated, it can sound harsh if your ears are particularly sensitive. Overall, it has an engaging and dynamic sound, making music sound livelier and more energetic. For us, the KZ EDX's best feature is its price. It is currently the cheapest KZ earphone that features a detachable and upgradable cable while still having a decent build quality and great sound. With all of these factors, it is undoubtedly one of the best bang for buck earphones available. We'd highly recommend it if you're looking for your first entry-level IEM or even as a backup everyday earphone. Links to purchase are in the description below. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have any questions regarding the KZ EDX, drop them in the comments section below and we'll try our best to answer each one of them. We'd highly appreciate it if you would consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, as we will start with our product giveaways as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers.